Sales Funnel Nerd here. Welcome to day 24. We're going to talk about sending campaign emails, what they're for, and how to send them. So the difference, before we talked about broadcast emails, today we're talking about campaign emails. So a campaign email is an automated series of emails, right? So if someone signs up to your list and they get your lead magnet and then they get hit with, say, 3 more emails that are telling them information about the lead magnet, additional goodies that you have for them, and then maybe the last 2 or 3 emails are pointing them towards your sales message, right? So all these emails go out in sequence. There's a day between or a week between. You go in and structure it, and it's very automated, and there's a bunch of emails versus the broadcast and doing more kind of spontaneous ones. Make sense? Simple? So we're going to kind of take a look at sending campaign emails over in Drip, and I'm going to walk you through that process here. So here I am in Drip. Now, wherever you're at, it might be, I know in Aweber it was called follow-up series. So things are set up a little bit differently depending on what your service is, but there's going to be 2 types, automated campaign emails and then broadcast. So for the campaigns, nice thing is all I have to do is just go into new campaign. I'm just going to call this test 1. And after I create my campaign, the cool thing is I can start from scratch on here and start typing away because I really like writing and I've got it all planned out in my head. Or I can kind of skip and take the easy way here and choose one of their pre-made blueprints. So let's take the easy way, go with a blueprint, because this is going to help me explain this to you a little faster here. So let's take a look at, so we'll say this follow-up to a sample report. So somebody opted in, got a free report, lead magnet from us, and now we're going to, after they get that, we're going to send them some emails here. So this one they get immediately, so how was the sample report? So we're cool, we like all these subject lines. This is where the subject lines are. But this one, I imagine you have a few questions for me. Let's go in and edit. And you know what? We don't want to wait 2 days for this to go. We're going to actually have this wait 3 days. And this one, we're going to have it wait 5 days. And then 24 days is too long. We actually want to wait 14 days. So we've got our time frame set up here as far as the delay between emails. So this is going to go out 3 days later. Then there's going to be a delay of 5 days before this next email goes out, right? So that's the delay in between emails there. So let's go in, and this is pretty much the same as the broadcast was as far as in the editor. So here we've got our email subject line. We could change that up if we wanted. But below that, it's going to have everything kind of loaded already, and I can go in and customize this, or I can just go in and replace the part here. Anything with stars is where I need to replace my own stuff here. So I can say SeanBailey.com, product name, so we could say how the sales funnel bootcamp works and how it can help you transform your failing website into a powerful money-making sales funnel. There we go, right? So as you can see, it's pretty easy. You just have to go through and replace the parts that are outlined and customize this message to make it your own. Once it's done, I hit save. If I hit save and publish, that means that this thing is live and ready to go out here. Now, I highly recommend doing test emails. Send a test email to yourself. Make sure that it reads okay and that it looks good. There's no mistakes and everything works properly. So that's it. Once I'm done here, I can go here. I'm going to hit save and publish. Save and publish. So now I just go back to my dashboard, back to the campaigns. So there we go. You can see now when I'm back in this list, this test campaign here. So the second email is done, and you can see how it's black instead of gray. That's because I hit save and publish. So if I had gone in and just hit save and come back here, it would still be in draft mode. Now let's just say that I've gone in and changed this one and it's good to go. All I have to do is just change this drop down to published. And you can see it's changed color. This thing is ready to go. Now, this campaign itself, all 4 of these emails are still in draft mode. So until I activate it, this campaign isn't going to work. So I can go in here and save and publish and activate all these, and then go back and activate the entire thing once I'm done. So that's it. That's how easy it is to go and do your own campaign. So that's your homework for this. Write up your own campaign series, write up some emails, get them loaded into your email autoresponder. Okay, and I will see you in the next video.